Hi friends, welcome back to Daisy Chain Crochet. I'm so glad to see you here. Take a seat. Today we're going to learn how to make a double crochet. In the previous video I showed you how to make a single crochet. So please, if you haven't seen it yet, go back to the previous video where I teach you how to make a single crochet. Today we're going to level up. We're going to move on to a double crochet. So like I said in the previous video, these are the basic stitches that you'll need for any crochet project. If you have mastered these stitches, single, double, half, and treble crochet, you'll be able to make almost any project in crochet. So let's get started. Let me show you how to do a double crochet today. All right, what you'll need today is a 5.5 millimeter hook. This is just from Loop and Thread. I also have today a white yarn. It's a 4-ply medium yarn, and it's also from Loop and Thread. I'll show you. It says here you can see the type of yarn, so medium weight, 4-ply, and then here you can see the type of hook that's recommended. The yarn I'll be working with today is 100% acrylic. I like it because it's easy to work, it's not sticky, it glides, and it's a light color so you can easily see the stitches. All right. We'll start by putting a loop on our hook. So we'll grab it in between my thumb and my pointer and middle finger like this. I'm going to loop it around, make an X. If you haven't seen, I showed this in the very first video, how to do this. So today I'll just go a little bit quicker. I'm going to put on my slip knot onto my hook, not too tight, and we're going to get going. So again, if you are new and you need to know how to hold your yarn or your hook, please go back to my first video where I show you how to hold your yarn and your hook. So for today's purpose, I'll just get going. All right, let's put 10 chain stitches. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10. All right. We're going to skip the first chain here and we're going to work into the second one, and we're going to make a double crochet. So if you are unfamiliar with what a chain stitch is and how I got to it looking like this, please refer back to my first video. All right, let's go double crochet. All right, so now that we're here, we're going to skip the first stitch and we're going to work into the second stitch. It's very similar to a single crochet with 1 or 2 little differences. So with the double crochet, you're going to start with yarning over, and you're going to stick your needle through the V just like you did before. You're going to yarn over again and pull it through. This time you'll have 3 loops on your hook instead of 2. So with the double crochet, you need 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again, and you're just going to pull it through the first 2 loops on the hook. Oh, not all 3, just the first 2. Until you have 2 on your hook again. You're going to yarn over again and pull through then the last 2 loops on your hook. Let's do it again. You're going to yarn over, you're going to go through the stitch, yarn over again and pull through till you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and go through 2 loops until you have 2, yarn over again until you only have 1. This is a double crochet. Let's look again. First, yarn over through your chain, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's go again. Yarn over through your chain stitch, yarn over and pull through. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over through the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, keep practicing until you get to the end, and then you, my friend, have made a double crochet. If you want to keep practicing, pause this video, keep practicing. You can turn your project when you get to the end, pause this, practice, and I'll meet you back at the end of our 10 stitches. Okay, we're at the end of the row here. I want you to chain 2 and turn your work around. And now we can do the same over here. Do you see the chain stitches on the top there? You see those chain stitches? We're going to work into the top of these chain stitches again until we get to the end. So I'll show you again how you start that. Yarn over, push through the stitch, yarn over, pull up to have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, pull through your stitch, yarn over, pull up 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, so keep practicing and send me a picture of your double crochet. I'm so proud of you. But next video I will show you how to make a half double crochet, and then after that the treble crochet, and you're so close to being on your way to crocheting. So remember what I say, practice makes perfect. So if you see any gaps in here, or you're not satisfied with your work, or you just want to keep practicing, take your hook out, pull it apart. It's called frogging. Frog the yarn and start over. There's no need to feel like this is a wasted project, because practice makes perfect. All right, this is where we started. I'll see you back in the next video for our half double crochet. See you soon. Bye-bye.